Hello student, my name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you elementary quantum mechanics. In elementary quantum mechanics, molecular orbital theory, BSc third year classes and CBSc, ISC, etc. board. This theory was put forward to explain the relative bonds, strength, bond length, magnetic property, etc. of the molecules and ions. Molecular orbital theory was developed by F. Hund and R. S. Mulliken in 1932. The salient features of this theory are: number first, the electron in a molecule are present in the various molecular orbitals as the electrons in the atoms are present in the various atomic orbital. Point number one. Point number two, the atomic orbital of comparable energies and proper symmetry combine to form molecular orbitals. Point number three, while an electron in an atomic orbital is influenced by one nucleus in a molecular orbital, its atomic orbital is monocentric, while in a molecular orbital is polycentric. Number 4 point, the number of molecular orbitals formed is equal to the number of combining atomic orbitals. When two atomic orbitals combine, two molecular orbitals are formed. This is the page number on. First, page number 2. One is known as bonding molecular orbital, while the other is called anti-molecular bonding molecular orbital. Point number 5. The bonding molecular orbital has lower energy and hence greater stability than the corresponding anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Point number 6. The electron probability distribution around a nucleus in an atom is given by an atomic orbital. The electron probability distribution around a group of nuclei in a molecule is given by molecular orbitals. Point number 7. The molecular orbitals, like atomic orbitals, are filled in accordance with the Aufbau principle. They obey the Pauli exclusion rule and the Hund's rule. Point number 8. Orbital of an electron in a molecule. In a molecule, an electron spends most of the time in its molecular orbital. Thus, the probability of finding the electron is highest in its molecular orbital. A molecular orbital can accommodate at the maximum two electrons of opposite spin on page number 2. On page number 3, linear combination of atomic orbitals LCAO bracket में लिखना है short form में. Its important features are: number first, two atomic orbitals overlap to give two molecular orbitals, one bonding and one anti-bonding. Thus, number of molecular orbital form is equal to the total number of atomic orbitals taking part in overlapping. The atomic orbitals lose their identity. Number 2, a bonding molecular orbital psi b is formed when two atomic orbitals psi 1 and psi 2 are added. That is, the two atomic orbitals are in one phase and overlap. Psi b is equal to psi 1 plus psi 2. On point number 3, the energy of the bonding molecular orbital is lower than the energy of combining atomic orbitals. The probability of finding the electrons in bonding molecular orbital is high, therefore it helps in bonding the atoms together. Bonding molecular orbital are represented sigma, pi and delta, etc. Point number 4, an anti-bonding molecular orbital psi a is formed by subtracting the two atomic orbitals psi 1 and psi 2. Psi a is equal to psi 1 minus psi 2 on page number 3. On page number 4, point number 5, the energy of anti-bonding molecular orbital is higher than the energy of combining atomic orbital. This situation does not favor bond formation. The anti-bonding orbitals are represented by sigma star, pi star, delta star, etc. Example, when s orbital of two atoms combine, two molecular orbitals are formed, one bonding and one anti-bonding. Sigma star 1s has higher energy than sigma 1s. Example number 2. Similarly, when three atomic orbitals of p cell of two atoms combine, six molecular orbitals are formed, three bonding and three anti-bonding. Condition for the combination of atomic orbitals. Number first, only those atomic orbitals overlap and form molecular orbitals which have nearly equal energies and have proper orientation. For example, for homo diatomic molecules such as N2O2F2, etc. 1s atomic orbital and one atom can overlap with 1s atomic orbital of another atom. 2s can overlap with 2s. 2pz can combine on page number 4. On page number 5 with 2pz. 2pz orbital cannot combine with the 2px or 2py orbital of other atom. It is because they do not have same symmetry. 1s orbital cannot overlap with 2s orbital because the energies of 2s orbital is appreciably higher than that of 1s orbital. Thus, only a limited number of combinations of atomic orbitals are possible. The combining atomic orbitals must overlap to the maximum extent. Greater is the overlapping, greater is the electron density between the nuclei of a molecule and stronger is the bond formed. Number 2, the shape of the molecular orbital formed depend upon the type of the atomic orbital taking part in the overlapping. Point number 3, there are the two types of molecular orbital. Psi molecular orbital is equal to psi 1 plus minus psi 2. Number first, molecular bonding molecular orbital psi b. Number second, anti-bonding molecular orbital psi a. Page number. On page number 6, types of molecular orbital of diatomic molecules are designated as sigma, pi, and delta, etc. The sigma molecular orbitals are symmetrical around the bond axis, while pi molecular orbitals are not symmetrical. The 1s orbital of two atoms overlap and produce two molecular orbitals which are symmetrical around the bond axis. Such molecular orbitals are sigma type. They are designated as sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Sigma is equal to psi 1 plus psi 2. Sigma star is equal to psi 1 minus psi 2. Important point, if internuclear axis is to taken in the z direction, then the linear combination of 2pz orbitals of two atoms also produce two sigma molecular orbitals, which are designated sigma 2pz and sigma star 2pz. Important point other, when 2px or 2py orbitals of two atoms overlap, the molecular orbital obtained are not symmetrical around the bond axis. It is due to the presence of the positive lobes above the negative lobes below the molecular plane. On page number 6. On page number 7, such molecular orbitals are labeled as pi and pi star. A pi bonding molecular orbital has higher electron at the two nuclei, while pi bonding orbital has two nodal planes. In sigma bond formation, overlapping is maximum and it is a strong bond. A pi bond is a weak and overlapping is less.